Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these pet hair removing gloves, okay? So the reason why I wanted these in particular is simply because I have two dogs. One is right over there, and they shed a lot. And with them shedding, it gets on my clothes, it gets on our couches, it gets on our blankets, our pillows. And so this is a really Pete Nisa device, okay? So it might seem like it doesn't work well at first glance, but the technology or thought process behind it is actually pretty smart. So how this works is that as you rub onto, let's say, your couch, for example, it actually uses static electricity to gather all the fur, and it actually condenses the fur into a rolled up bunch in the center here. So if I show you how this works, it's also got a nice sleeve for your hand, just like this, and it is washable. So basically the three-step process is that you wipe the surface that you want to attract pet hair from. Afterwards, you remove the pet hair but just by picking it off. And then lastly, you just wash it off, okay, and then let it dry. So if we actually go ahead and use this, and right now it doesn't look like there's much pet hair here because I'm pretty far away, but there actually is. But if I go ahead and wipe it, so it's wipe here and then wipe here, what actually ends up happening that you see here is that it rolls the hair. Okay, so this is all pet hair that you see right over here. It rolls the pet hair into the center and you simply just pick it off just like that. So it's a really neat piece of device, guys. I mean, it's not even electronic, it's just electrostatic energy as far as acquiring pet hair goes. And so this is perfect for your couch, your bed, especially clothes as well. So before you go out, now let's say you're wearing some nice black clothes, but then some pet hair gets onto it. This right here is going to make it so that your pet hair is easily removed. And so with that being said, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.